Okay, let's talk about something that I know drives every single AI user completely crazy. That moment when your brilliant AI partner suddenly just forgets everything you are working on. We're going to break down not just why that happens, but the real key to mastering it.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You're deep into a project, you're in the flow, the AI has all the context, and then boom, it starts making these rookie mistakes. It forgets key instructions, it starts making stuff up, and you just feel like you're right back at square one.
And hey, it's not just you. This quote from the article we're breaking down just hits the nail on the head. It's this maddening loop. You ask for a fix. It says, yep, all done, but nothing's actually changed. It happens all the time, whether you're coding, writing, or just trying to brainstorm an idea.
So listen, it's not your fault, and the AI isn't just being difficult. There's a real name for this. It's a known issue called context rot. It's simple, really. The longer your conversation gets, the worse the model's performance can become. And understanding why is the absolute first step to beating it for good. So, first things first, to beat context rot, you have to understand the AI's short-term memory. And in the world of AI, that's called the context window. Think of it like this. Everything the model knows about your current conversation has to fit inside this one window. It's the AI's entire desk, its entire workspace. And the most important thing to get is that this workspace has a hard limit. It is not infinite. And you see these huge numbers, right? Measured in tokens, which are basically just pieces of words. 1 million tokens sounds absolutely enormous. But you'd be surprised how quickly this memory gets crowded.
And here's the kicker, the part most people don't realize. It's not just your latest questions sitting in that window. It's everything. Your prompts, the AI's replies, the whole chat history, and this is the sneaky part, hidden system instructions and tools that the app is adding in the background. It all adds up fast.
Okay, so we know the memory is limited, but how exactly does it go bad? Well, there's a science to the rot. Starting back in late 2023, a whole bunch of research papers started digging into this problem. And what they found was that these AIs don't just forget things randomly. Oh no, they forget in very predictable patterns. And this is the crucial takeaway. The way an AI forgets actually changes depending on how full its memory is. When that context window is less than half full, it tends to lose track of info from the middle of your conversation. But once it gets over that halfway mark, it starts forgetting the important instructions you gave it at the very beginning. That right there is context rot in action. And don't think this is some abstract problem that only shows up after you've been chatting for hours. Note, with the standard AI tools you use online, performance can start to tank after as few as 15 back-and-forth messages. I mean, that's not a very long conversation at all. So the problem is clear. It's predictable. And the good news? That means we can fight back. Here's how you start to take control.
The big picture strategies are actually pretty simple. You need to keep an eye on how full that window is, move key info to outside files the AI can look at, clear out the memory on a regular basis, and most importantly, use tools that actually let you do all this stuff. But there's a pretty big catch. Yeah, if you're using something like the standard ChatGPT or Claude websites, you're basically flying blind. They're built to be simple, which means they hide the one thing you really need to manage, the state of that context window. You have no idea how full it is or what's really in there.
And that leaves all of us with that one clumsy solution we all know and hate. Without the right tools to manage the AI's memory, our only real move is the classic tech support answer. Turn it off and on again. Start a new chat, wipe the slate clean, and hope for the best. But what if you could have that visibility? What if you could have that control? Imagine if you could literally see the AI's memory filling up and surgically remove the old, irrelevant parts of the conversation. That's how you go from being a victim of context rot to being the master of your AI's memory. So look, in this quick explainer, we've covered the what and the why of context rot. And honestly, you now understand this problem better than 99% of people using AI. The full article we've prepared for you, well, that's your masterclass in the how. So click the link, dive deeper, and learn how to take total control of your AI.